How are you my fans? Karibuni tena to Trevor and Swin. Though Swin isn't around maze, but we were requesting, so the part 2 of the video of Q&A. You can write your questions hapo kwa comment section and then we'll be answering them. So part 2 tutakuwa tuna take your questions maze, my fans. So write them, alafu the next episode tutakuwa tunazijibu. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. And sorry for the hitilafu ya mitambo on the previous video. The sound and the video was like ish. Kulikuwa na nyiko mbele na ingine iko nyuma. We apologize manze, we are sorry, but tutakuwa keen next time. It was not on our fault, but we take the blame. So andikeni za maswali tutazijibu. Bye.